Hi friends, I Abhinav Negi welcome you all on BYJU'S exam prep. Guys, in this particular session, we will be doing the questions of surveying. Okay, and the questions of surveying means complete surveying that includes compass surveying, traversing, leveling, chain surveying, photogrammetry, tachymetry, theory of errors, and also GPS, GIS, and remote sensing. Just let me know on the comment section, guys. Audio, video, fine. Just tell me fast. Camera is little bit guys, so hi, hello everyone, guys. Just let me know fast. Audio, video fine, everyone? Okay, everyone, okay, I guess it's fine. Camera is not bit fine. Okay, let me adjust it, otherwise it may be little bit more okay, now little better. Okay, so this about me, those students who don't know me, but in my mobile why it is not working. Now little better. Okay, so this is about me. My name is Abhinav Negi. Okay, and this is my profile. Guys, this is the schedule of the crash course, and if you are preparing for ISRO, then our app, there is a quiz. You can download our app and get this quiz. Okay, this is my Telegram group. More than 5,500 students have already joined, so you can also join. The link is also given in the comment section. Okay, and to get our app, if you want these ISRO papers, okay, if you want the PYQs of GATE, EC, ESC, or if you want the notes of technical or non-technical, guys, then with any video of mine on YouTube, if you click on the description box here, okay, then there is a link. Just click on the description box, then you will be getting a link here. You can download the app from here if you have not downloaded till now. And yes, guys, this is the series of open channel flow. Friends, this I am announcing first time on YouTube. Complete OCF, just like paid course. Guys. Every year, one subject I taught complete on free classes, and this will be on app. Okay, complete OCF, just like paid course. All chapters, all concepts, and all types of numerical as well. Okay, same like paid course, same hour, complete OCF, exactly, not 99.99%, exactly 100% like paid course for free. This will be free series that will be running at 3:30 p.m. Okay, this is the free series that will be running at 3:30 p.m. from 14th of December, guys, continuously every day. Okay, in 14th I'll be telling you about series, and 15, 16, okay, 17 is not class, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 25, 26, 27, they will be the classes. Okay, so let's go with the surveying, guys. Okay, the complete crash course. Okay, here I'll be doing the questions of chain surveying, compass, leveling, traversing, GPS, GIS, remote sensing, and theory of errors, curves, every chapter important topics I'll be taking, sir. Okay. Now, what is the question? The volume of excavation was computed for the measurement. Okay, some excavation was done. Might be from here. Some excavation was done. From here, I excavate the soil and I put it here. Okay, and the volume measure was 687530 and meter cube. And volume will be measured by some chain or whatever. Okay, now later on it was observed that the nominal length of the chain was 20 meter. The nominal length of the chain is 20 meter. What is the nominal length means? That here the markings are 0, 1, 2 and so on. The markings are up to 20 meter. And initially it was 20 meter also. Okay. Now, it was correct at the commencement of work. Initially, it was correct. But later on, when we have done whole surveying, we have measured the volume, we found that it was 5 centimeter too long. So actual length, that is nominal length, that is written, is 20 meter. Actual length L dash, initially L dash is two things. L dash is the actual length, written length is 20. Okay, initially it was correct. So initially 20 meter was written over there, markings are 20 meter, it is actually 20 meter. But L dash finally, after the day's work, we found it is 5 centimeter too long. So it was not 20 meter, 20.05. Okay. So in this case, when in between the work, the actual length is not given, we take average. Okay. So initially it was 20, later on at the end it was fine 20.05, in between we have not taken. So L dash we take it as 20.025. Okay. This is the length written on it and this is the actual length. Any doubt till here? Any doubt till here? Give me yes or no. Please, no doubt. Now the correct volume is given by measured volume into this correction factor L dash by L, and since if it is length, L dash by L only. It is area, L dash by L square, because in area there are 2 dimensions of length multiply, in volume 3 dimensions multiply. So this correction factor will multiply 3 times. Okay, so measured volume, that is 68, 75, 3 zeros and 20.025 upon 20 3 times, because it is volume. From here what is answer coming? From here what is answer coming? Can you please let me know? Everyone, is it coming A? Is it coming A? Give me yes or no. Everyone guys, come on. Have you understood? Any doubt to anyone? No? Let's move to question number 2 then. Okay. This is the question number 2. Let me see who can do this first. Let me see that who can do this first, guys. Everyone. What is it is written here? This is question number not 3, 2. What is written here? The following detail refers to a closed traverse, and this closed traverse is a loop traverse. From P, I am again coming back to P point only. Okay, so lines are there. Their northing, that means positive latitude, southing means negative latitude, easting means positive departure, westing means negative departure is given. What is X and direction theta? What is L and theta? That has to be find out. Now as it is loop traverse, so summation latitude is equal to 0. So what is summation latitude? 0. Southing means minus 89.27. Then here 0, 89, 64.97. That is northing means plus. Okay, plus x cos theta. Let x cos theta is equal to 0. Correct? Correct, guys. Everybody, please tell me. From here, I have already calculated for you. Okay. From here, when you calculate the x cos theta value, the x cos theta value is coming out to be कितना आ रहा था 24.32. Please check. 24.32. This is from summation L is equal to 0. This is from summation L is equal to 0. Are you getting the same value? Okay. Now summation departure also 0, because from P point again I am coming back to P point. Summation departure. So departure is easting 200. Then all are plus, because all are easting. 32.5 plus 37.5, and here the departure will be x sine theta and it will be 0. Okay, so from x sine theta value you are getting from here, please check. X sine theta is you are getting minus 270. X sine theta value you are getting as minus 270. So summation departure is equal to 0. I am getting this equation. Okay, so summation departure is equal to 0. I am getting two equations, two unknown. Two equations, two unknown. So if I divide Okay, one more thing, guys. Latitude of a line is positive and departure of the line is negative. Latitude of the line is positive and ऊपर का दिख रहा है, हाँ. Departure of the line is negative. That means line will be here in this. According to survey, I told you this is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant as per survey. Why? Because in survey we measure north and clockwise angle. So first we reach here, then he reach here, second quadrant, then we reach here, then we reach here. Okay, so for this line the latitude is positive and departure is negative. Correct? So okay, so if I see the tan theta value, dividing this by this, so tan theta is equal, if I say magnitude only, so 270 by 24.32. I am seeing only magnitude, but this will be this theta. This will be this theta. Tan theta is equal to, my friends, x sine by x cos. Okay, tan theta will be 270, that is departure in west, and this. So from here you will be getting the theta value. Okay, from here you will be getting the theta value. Okay, how much you are getting? Can you please let me know in the comment section? How much you are getting? Come on, come on, come on. How much you are getting? Are you getting? जल्दी बता दो. 84 degree, 84.5 something like this. 84.5 something like this. Tell me. Jaldi, 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 jaldi. How much you are getting the theta from here? This is 279 degree, yaar, 8 minutes. Okay. This is 185 degree, 40 minutes. So you will get the value for theta from here. The answer will be 360 minus theta. If I want whole circle bearing, na, so whole circle bearing will be this much. 360 minus theta will be 279 degree, 8 minutes. That is C option. This is MSQ. This is MSQ. Okay. Now you put theta anywhere, or you do squaring and adding. X square cos square theta plus x square sin square theta. That cos square plus sin square is equal to 1. So it is 24.32 square plus 270 square. What is the value of x from here? What is the value of x from here? Tell me, everyone. Is it coming something around 271? Okay. So answer will be A, C. Any doubt you can ask me. Any doubt you can ask me, friends. MSQ question. Any doubt? Let me be little side so you can see. Any doubt you can ask me. We just have put summation L is equal to 0, find the equation. Summation departure is equal to 0, two equations, two unknown, we find x and theta. We find x and theta. Again a nice question. Again a nice question, guys. Everyone please try to understand here. Okay, the distance between the staff and the instrument is 75 meter. This is the, let me make a different color. This is a staff and here is the instrument, and the distance between staff and instrument is how much? 75 meters. The distance between the staff and instrument is 75 meters. Now what is happening? The bubble at the center when the reading is taken for a staff of 1.50 meter. When the bubble is at the center when the staff is reading for a staff of 1.5, but when the reading of the bubble moved by 5 division. When bubble is at the center, na, we are seeing horizontal, that is 1.50 meter. But when the reading of bubble moved for about 5 divisions, here guys, if you see, these are like this, na. Okay, so when bubble is moved by 5 division from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to here, bubble is moved by 5 divisions. The staff reading is 1.556. In that case, when bubble is moved of its position, so that red one is the wrong thing, blue one is the correct thing when it is at the center. The value is 1.556. 1.556, correct? Please check red one is visible na. Red color is visible na. 1.556. Correct. Now what will be this theta? Tan theta, and for small values of theta it will be theta only, is equal to the staff reading S, that is 1.556 minus 1.50 divided by 75. This will be theta. This will be theta. 1.556 minus 1.50 upon 75. Tell me, getting the same ना? Okay. Okay, इसका वैल्यू मैंने कैलकुलेट किया था. How much was it? Okay. Okay. Point. Okay. So this theta is equal to 0.056 by 75. Okay. Now sensitivity is not this. Sensitivity alpha, if I am writing sensitivity, okay, in radians only, so alpha is theta by n. Okay, sensitivity is corresponding to 1 division. Here bubble is moving 5 division. Sensitivity is corresponding to 1 division. So theta by n or theta by 5. So it is 0.056 by 75 into 5. And what is sensitivity? And what is sensitivity? This length d, and how much is the angle? This length d upon r. This is also in radian. This also I put in radian. So there also I am not multiplying 206265. This sensitivity is d by r. Okay. So 0.056 75 into 5. What is d? Length of one division 1.5 mm. So 1 point in meters it will be like this, divided by r. So what is the value of r? What is the value of r? 10.04 meter. This is a perfect question, guys. Give me yes or no, everybody, on the comment section. Give me yes or no on the comment section. If not visible, let me write 1.556. Give me yes or no. Have you understood the concept? Have you understood the concept? Okay. Now this one. This one is the leveling manual had been prepared. Find out the missing data. Missing data कौन सा बताना है? C का. तो इसमें तो कुछ है ही नहीं. फिगर बनाओ. फिगर बनाओ. A का बेंचमार्क, A has a benchmark of 108.08. A has a benchmark of 108.08. Okay. A has a benchmark of 108.08, and reading, backside reading on A is 1.150. Then intermediate side on B is 1.850. This is 1.850, and last reading at C, foresight is X. This is at C. RL of C is 107.185. Correct? Correct? This is also MSQ. Now tell me the answers. Tell me the answers. Everyone on the comment section. जल्दी से. अच्छा, मेरे को RL of B बताना. What is RL B? From 108.08 I go above 1.150, and then I come 1.850 below. What is the value of B? What is the RL of B? 107.38. The RL of B is 107.38. Actually the figure should be going down now, because these RLs are decreasing. So don't go to the scale of my figure. 107.38. Okay. What is the foresight there? See, 108.08 plus 1.150. So I reach at this level. From this level I go down by X. So it is 107.185. It is 107.185. So what is the value of x? What is the value of x? Tell me. 2.045. 2.045. Tell me. Okay, and what is the rise at C? Rise, no, C पे तो rise हो नहीं रहा, fall हो रहा है ना. So yes, now one more question. This fall is with respect to with this figure or this figure, this data or this data. So rise and fall is always with respect to the previous point. Rise and fall is always with respect. यहाँ तो दिख ही नहीं रहा मैं. Okay, rise and fall is always with respect to the previous data. So with respect to this, of course, the gradient is falling. By mistake, I made it rising. It is falling gradient because it is decreasing. So 107.38 minus 107. What is the difference between this? This is the fall. What is the difference between them? This is 380 and 185. So this will be 5. And here it will be 79. And here it will be 0.1. Okay. So it will be 0.195 and it will be fall. Okay, rise and fall is with respect, rise and fall of any point is not with respect to this point. Rise and fall of any point is with respect to the previous point. And his elevation is decreasing, so it is falling. Got it? Everyone please. Everyone please. Okay. Now do this one. Do this one. The leveling carried out to establish the RL of point C with respect to benchmark at A. The staff reading is taken as RL of point A is 100 meter, RL of C is this. Okay, nice question. Guys, this is a minus sign. What minus sign indicates? What minus sign indicates? Can anyone tell me? What minus sign indicates? What does this minus sign indicates? Minus sign indicates the inverted staff. Minus sign indicates the inverted staff. Okay. So here at A point where the RL is 100, at A point the backside is 3.5. At A point the backside is 3.5, and at B point the foresight is minus 1.9. That means 100 point B will be at a ceiling type. And here if I put the staff, now this minus reading is, this is minus inverted staff. What is the RL of B? Okay, what is the RL of B? 100 plus 3.5 plus 1.9. Okay, 103, 104, 104.9, 105.4. Now, where is next C? C is here only. At C, again if I put the instrument here, this reading, backside reading at B is minus 0.5, and here the reading is, foresight reading at C is 5.5. So RL of C is, what is the RL of B? 105.4. From here go down this much. So RL of this will be, RL of this is 105.4 minus 0.5, and from here minus 5.5. So minus of 6 total. So minus of 6 total, it will be 99.4. It will be 99.4. That is option number B. जल्दी से बता दो, आर यू गेटिंग द सेम वैल्यूज? जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी, आर यू गेटिंग द सेम वैल्यूज? यस और नो? एवरीवन, these are literally challenging question, guys. These are literally challenging questions, and I hope you are able to solve them. I hope you are able to solve them. The level of the gate questions will be lesser than this, guys. Whenever I am taking a ISRO mock test or ISRO questions, then the questions are level of ISRO. I take easier questions because in ISRO, in BARC, the easier question is coming. Whenever I am taking a gate session, the questions are of gate level only, even a little bit higher, even a bit higher. Hi Arun. Okay, now this one, guys, these are the photo coordinates given. Okay, small xa is the photo coordinate, that is 50.00, and small ya is equal to 150.00. Okay, these are the small xa small ya means, small xa small ya means photo coordinates. Okay, what is the scale of a point? Scale of a point is focal length upon h minus ha. What is the focal length? 200 mm. So 200 into 10 की power minus 3 upon capital H, taken from an altitude of 2000 meter. What is the elevation of a point? 100. What is the scale of a point? Tell me everyone. What is the scale of a point? What is the scale of a point? Okay, so whatever you are getting the value of scale of a, okay, this is the scale of a, है ना? Leave this. Now what is the xa? Ground coordinate. This capital xa means ground coordinate. This photo coordinate into the scale value, so that is 2000, that is to the guys, see, map distance is 1 centimeter, scale is 1 by 1000. What is the ground distance? 1 into 1000, denominator we multiply, so we are multiplying like this, 200 into 10 की power minus 3. What is this value coming? What is this value coming, please? And xa value, jaldi batao. And if you want in meters, then multiply by 10 की power 3. If you want in meters, this will be coming in the value of unit of 50, because this is unitless. So multiply with 10 की power 3 for meters. So what is the xa value coming? 475. 475. Similarly, what is the ya? This capital ya is the ground coordinate, 150 into scale. Scale is 2000 minus 100 divided by 200 into 10 की power minus 3. In meters it will be 10 की power 3. Okay, so here the ya value will be 1425 meter. Okay, so capital xa is coming to be 475 and capital ya is coming to be 1425 meter. In similar concept, guys, we'll find the xb and yb. Similarly, capital X, guys, for finding xb we will multiply this by the scale of b point. For yb we will multiply this by the scale of b point. Okay, so first of all they will finding out the scale of b point. It will be xb is 1350 minus 1350 and capital yb is coming to be 450 meter. And then apply the distance formula. xa minus xb whole square plus ya minus yb whole square under root. That will be coming around 2.07 kilometers. 2.07 kilometers. Give me yes or no. Give me yes or no. Everyone. Everyone. Have you understood the concept? Okay. Now you can do this as a homework. Okay, this curve. Assertion and reasoning. चलो बताओ. Guys, what is the degree of curve? Degree of curve is actually having two definitions. One is arc definition and chord definition. Suppose arc definition, suppose this is one chain length L dash, then how much angle it is subtending at the center in degrees. So how much one chain length, maybe of 30 meter, maybe of 20 meter, if we put that chain length in the curve, so how much that is angle is d L dash by r, how much that one chain length is making an angle at the center. Of course this is in radians, for degree it will be 180 by 5. This is the arc definition. One is chord definition, that instead of arc we put one chain length of L dash is the one chain length, and in the chord, long chord, and what is the angle it is subtending. Okay, first is a sharp curve has a larger degree. Guys, this is a curve 1, this is a curve 2. Which is sharper? This has a lesser radius, so R lesser, degree will be more. Okay, so sharp curve means less radius means large degree. It is correct. Second, the degree of curve is inversely proportional to radius. Yes, R is denominator, D is here, inversely proportional. So reason is also correct. So A. Okay. Okay. Now, what is the maximum error? What is the maximum error? The error beyond which, guys, what is the difference between mistake and error? What is the difference between mistake and error? What is the difference between the mistake and error? Large errors are called as mistake. But what is that boundary line? What is that boundary line beyond which we call it as a mistake? Okay, that boundary line is the maximum error. Beyond maximum error, we call the error to be mistake. Large errors are mistake, na? So this is 3.29 into sigma. Okay, 3.29 into sigma. The data is given here. From here we can find out the standard deviation. Okay, and it is coming 43.06 seconds. Okay, the data is given here, na? What is the standard deviation when all data are taken with equal precision, equal weight, like this, and is the number of readings. Okay, now there is a cuboid. We measure the length A 50, but in this 50 now we have done an error of plus minus 0.04. Similarly, we measure B, but in this B now we do an error of plus minus 0.03. We measure the height C, but in this C now we measure 30, but there is an error of plus minus 0.02. Since A, B, C there is an error, what is the standard error in volume? Guys, what is the formula for this? Suppose A is a thing which is a function of X, Y or Z. It may be two number of variables, one number, 4, 5, any variables. So error in A is equal to del F by del X into EX square plus del F by del Y into EY square plus so on. Like this we find out. So here the volume is equal to ABC. So EV ka whole square, error in volume whole square, del V by del A. So B into C into EA whole square, del V by del B, A into C into EB whole square, del V into del C, AB into EC whole square. A is this, B is this, C is this. This is EA, this is EB, this is EC. Put the values and get the answer. Put the values and get the answer. कितना आ रहा है? Put the values and get the answer. जल्दी बताओ. 77, I guess. 77 you will be getting. My birthday is in August. Who said it's my birthday? Okay. Now here. चलो. Guys, in every 1 degree na, in 1 degree longitude difference, in 1 degree longitude difference, the time difference is of 4 minutes. The time difference is of 4 minutes. Okay. In 1 degree of longitude difference, time is 4 minutes. Of course, if you are going to east, time will be more, and to west, time will be less. Okay. Okay. So it is at 88 degree 10 minutes east, at 72 degree east. Okay, like here it is a map of the world. Here it is 0 degree, here 10 degree west, 20 degree west, like this. Here it is somewhere 72 degree east, and here it is 88 degree 10 minute east. So here the time is 9 hour 36 minute 48 seconds. So what is the time here? Of course it is east, so time will be more. 9 hour 36 minute 48 seconds. In every 1 degree, time is a 4 minute gap. So from here to here, 72 degree to 88 degree 10 minutes. This is 8 degree 10 minutes. So 8 degree 10 minutes will be having how much? So 8 degree will be having 32 minute time difference. And 10 minutes will be how much degree? 10 by 60. This will be 10 by 60 10 minutes degree. Okay, so 10 by 1 degree 4 minutes. So here it will be this much minutes. Into seconds will be into 60 seconds. So here it will be 40 seconds. So 32 minute and 40 seconds difference will be coming. 32 minute and 40 second time will be more from here. So 9 hour 36 minutes plus 32 minutes. So it is 10 hour 8 minutes. 48 seconds and 40 seconds is how much? 88 seconds. 88 seconds. So 10 hour 9 minute 60 minute I have taken here na. 9 minute 28 seconds. 10 hour 10 hour 9 minutes. No. Okay, 72 degree and 88 degree. The difference is not 8 degree. So 10 degree we have 10 degree hum kha gaye. Okay, so 10 degree we have lost. It is not 18 degree difference. So it is not 32. It is 72 minute. It is not 32, 72. So we are losing by 40 minutes. We are losing by 42 minutes. It is not 32, it is 72. Okay. So it will be 49 minutes. 10 hour. We are losing by how much? 49. 10 hour 36 plus 72 minutes na. 36 plus 72 minutes na. So it is how much? 36 and 72. So we can write 10 hour Okay, 48 and 40 will be 88 seconds. That we'll see later on. Okay, and 36 and 72 is how much? 108, but 60 I have taken here. 108. So it is 48 coming, na? So then it's 49 coming. 108, 108. 40 should be coming. 49 should be coming, yeah. It should be coming 49. It should be coming 49. This is not 72, misprint. That is not 72, that is, okay, that is 72. 72 and 88 should be 16, na? Let me do it again. See, I'm doing it again. I'm doing it again, guys. This is 0 degree. It will be west towards west. It is 72 degree west. Sorry, east. This is east written here. And this is 88 degree 10-minute east. Okay. So here the time is how much? 9 hour 36 minute 48 second. What will be the time here? What will be the time here? So here it is, difference is 16 degree 10 minutes. So 1 degree is 4 minutes. The difference of 1 degree is 4 minutes. So 16 degree will be 16 into 4, 64 minutes plus 10 minutes. So 10 minutes means 10 by 60 degree. So 10 by 60 degree, 1 degree 4 minutes. So it will be 4 in seconds. It will be like this. So it is total 40 seconds. So 60 in this, it will be addition of 64 minute 40 seconds. Please check it. Please check it. Okay. Once we add this will be 10 hour. 60 and only 40 will be left. So here 41 will be coming, because here it is 88 seconds, na? So I have taken 60 seconds in the 1 minute. And 28 seconds. So 10 hour 41. C option. Have you understood now? Everyone? Okay. The minimum number of satellites to determine position precisely, guys. From 3 satellites we can find out. But for precise we need 4 satellites. For precise we need 4 satellites. This is the same question as we have done earlier. You can do. Now the satellites are placed in the orbits. Na? There are various satellites. Communication satellites, weather forecasting satellites, Google image satellites. There are various satellites. I am talking of GPS satellites. So of this orbit, na, what is the radius of those orbits? It is around 26,600. Okay. Thank you guys. This practice course, great practice course is going on, and the scholarship test is on 10th of December tomorrow, in which you can give the test a 90%, can get 90% discount. And this is the workshop, guys. Preparing GATE 2025 with college and job. If you are preparing for GATE 2025 with college or job, then Rakesh sir will be taking a workshop on 13th of December. That is Wednesday at 7:30 PM. Please do join this workshop. Okay, and guys, below this video in the description box there is a link. You can click that link and get the BYJU'S exam prep. In the description box there is a link from which you can download the app. And this is, guys, the complete OCF. Complete OCF means all topics, concept plus numerical, complete thing will be there. Complete, exactly like paid course, exactly like paid course for free of cost. 3:30 PM, guys, from 14th of December, and it will be on app. Every year, guys, one subject I taught free, complete subject, every year. One subject I taught free. This time it will be OCF and app. That is at 3:30 PM. In my Telegram group, Civil by Vinod sir, you can join this, guys. Already more than 5,500 students have joined. Okay, thank you. Abhinay, have you got it now? You can ask me in Telegram. Okay, thank you guys. Take care. Thank you all.